Next question here. I've installed a new intake and pipes, and I'm getting flames out of the pipes. And my mixture is 1.75 turns out, and idle is almost all the way out. So I get lots of weird questions, like they ask a question of me where it would require me to ask another 30 or 40 questions just to be able to begin understanding what they're doing. So if you're having an issue with tuning your bike, there is a free resource on my support page. It's a whole tuning guide. Every time we send out velocity stacks or exhaust or tuning kits, anything that has to do with tuning a bike, we include a tuning sheet. And it's a two-sided document, and it goes over pretty much all the basics you would need to properly tune your bike using my parts. A mixed screw at 1.75 turns out is not normal. Typically, if you're on a dual carb or even a single carb bike, you're going to be anywhere between 2 and 3, maybe 3.5. If you're at 3.5, your pilot might be a little small. But typically, you're going to want to start tuning from idle up to wide open throttle. So, and you really don't need to go, oh, 60 miles an hour it does this. You should be able to tune the whole bike and never even leave first gear. You can start a bike up, get in first gear, tune it from idle, wide open throttle without leaving a single gear. So all you're really tuning for is the throttle stage. The throttle stages being idle, quarter, half, 3/4, wide open throttle. That's one place where we can't use metrics, so 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters. It's just a fractional measurement of the position of your throttle sleeve. So if you go, bike is idling, you can mark that on your throttle assembly as idle. And go to wide open throttle and mark there, wide open throttle. Cut that in half, that's your half throttle. Then you go back, you got quarter, and you go forward a little bit, you got 3/4. You're going to tune in between all those stages. And there's also a diagram on the support page that shows you which jetting circuit relates to each throttle stage. So if you're having an issue with idle, like this gentleman's having an issue with idle, but then when it runs, it has another problem. So your idle issue, you're going to want to figure out, okay, is it too lean or too rich? Well, there's also a little chart on that page that says, hey, how do I know if my bike's too lean or rich? So you're going to have, it's going to say your bike's lean if it does this, 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 and it's rich if it does this, 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 this. So it's pretty easy using the information I put out for everybody to determine whether your bike is too lean or too rich in each throttle stage.